It is cold out there. Looks good back here. Fuel truck's on the way. So we got a 9 a.m. takeoff heading to Eagle. Little weather in Eagle. They're calling for showers and snow. Rifles are alternate just in case. 6,420 pounds, just what we need. Brake is set. We got two here, waiting on two more. Here we go, ready to roll.
Roger that, turning southbound 2067.
B1. Rotate. Posture great. You're up.
Flaps up, yaw damper.
Citation 2 Quebec, contact St. Louis departure. You have a good morning.
To Quebec, thank you, good day. Gears up, flaps up. St. Louis, November 2 Quebec, 1.5 for 3,000.
November 2 Quebec, St. Louis departure, radar contact. Climb and maintain 5,000 and proceed direct to Hallsville, Hotel Lima Victor.
Up to 5,000 direct to Hallsville, to Quebec.
Up to 5,000 direct to Hallsville.
Citation 2 Quebec, contact St. Louis departure 128.1. Good day.
28.1, good day, to Quebec. St. Louis, citation November 2 Quebec, got a 3.4 for 5,000.
Citation 2 Quebec, St. Louis departure, climb and maintain 15,000.
15,000 to Quebec.
15,000.
Warski 4680 through 1.2.
Boys are working with us this morning.
Warski 4680, St. Louis departure, ready to contact, climb and maintain 15,000.
To 15,000, 4680.
Speed brakes.
Clear.
Snow's going to be here in 2 minutes. Mountains obscured. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I don't think we would have gotten in. 5 minutes later, we would not have gotten in here. We'd be out there holding somewhere or go to our alternate, which was rifle. We lucked out. 5 minutes ago, we could not have gotten in here. Let's just show you how fast the weather changes in the mountains. Look at it out there now. We could easily get in here, no problem. One thing nice about her getting this is she always gets nicer than I would have got. Okay, I'm gonna run downstairs, get some exercise. We got 15 minutes before dinner. Gotta be quiet, 15 minutes. Ready? I'm doing flashcards for the Citation XL. I've got a recurrent coming up in February, so I need to start getting ready for that. It's much better than the hotel coffee. I take these little Starbucks instant coffee packets with me, just in case, because sometimes you get bad hotel coffee, or you run out of coffee in the morning, you don't want to go downstairs. It's real convenient. We got a little bit of snow last night. I don't know, maybe half an inch. Put the airplane in the hangar so we don't have to worry about it. When we got here yesterday, we were coming in between snow and rain showers and landed right before a snow shower came through. Right after we got out of the airplane, the snow/rain slush. It was a slush shower is what it was, because you were just basically getting hit in the face by slush. Heading back tomorrow. So what we're going to do today is we're going to drive out to Hanging Lake Trail. So we may run into a problem with snow and ice, and we'll just have to see what happens. Go on an adventure. Life's an adventure, isn't it? Got to do something. Let me show you my room. Looks like it's snowing a little further up in the valley right now. Well, time for breakfast. Got my exercise yesterday. You know, maybe the trail should substitute for my exercise. I don't know, we'll see. A little chilly out here. I can see some blue sky. It looks like it's breaking up. Visibility is dropping.
These look like flakes.
Beautiful river. This will stop. I see some blue back there.
You actually brought your camera this time.
Yeah. I need to buy some hiking boots. There's a bridge up here. Okay, we turned back. Ice with ice pellets on top of it and snow pellets, and it was just getting way too slick. So, maybe if we had some crampons or spikes on our shoes or something, that'd be great. But we're slipping and sliding, so we're turning back down. A little bit of a disappointment, but that's okay. That's okay. A little adventure, that's all it is. Well, the sun's back out, so we're going to head to lunch is what we're going to do. Turning into a nice day. We'll try this again in the summer. It's really more of a summer type hike. I haven't really wasted my time. I've been doing some reading on the airplane, reading another book that I'm reading, worked on some stuff. Morning habits. I'm gonna I'm gonna get breakfast here in a little bit and then go exercise. Don't waste the time sitting in the hotel room like I do. I mean, I'm definitely not the world's best example, that's for sure. We've got a 5:30 p.m. takeoff right at sunset. I'd rather be leaving earlier though. One person back. Everybody we brought here has gone in a different direction on the airlines. We've just got one going back to St. Louis. Flight planning's done. Hour and 53 minutes to get back. We're going to burn 2,900 pounds of fuel. And we're sitting at 2,900 pounds of fuel out there at the airport. So we're going to have to add a 1,500 pound reserve. 225 gallons. That's what we're going to order. Weather's good on both ends. It should be an easy trip. If you guys are into Instagram, I've got an Instagram also. And the link is in the bottom of the description box. Just check it out. I probably use Instagram other than YouTube more than anything else. I need to do a little polishing of the woodwork in here. Well, our time just got moved up to 5 p.m., which is fine with me. Gets us home earlier. That's great. All we need now is coffee and ice. We already got our fuel. Everything looks pretty good. So we'll be leaving out of here before dark. That's a wonderful thing. One hour to go. Wait. Hurry up and wait. I'm good at that. Gonna start that AP in about 15 minutes.
Ground November 2 Quebec is ready to taxi with Yankee.
November 2 Quebec, ground runway 25, taxi via Alpha.
25 via Alpha for 2 Quebec. V1, rotate.
Honestly, ready. Gear up, please.
Selected. Gear indicates up.
Yacht damper on.
Selected. Engaged.
Here we go.
Just flying, it'll turn you. Gear and flaps indicate up.
Here comes the sunshine.
November 2 Quebec, leaving 10,000, contact departure seat.
Out of 10,000 to departure to Quebec. You guys have a good evening.
Will do.
Oh, yeah, I don't.
It'll turn you. There it goes.
There we go.
And we're out of 10,000. Let me give him a call.
Autopilot's on. Maybe you're coming.
November 2 Quebec gets out of 11.5 for 15,000.
November 2 Quebec, Denver Center radar contact.
Denver Center, QRM 1092.
2231, contact number Cessna 128.65.
12865, American 2231.
Looks like in the middle of it's wet.